Assalamualaikum. Myself Misbah Aziz, roll number 37, and I am a student of Bachelor of Architecture and Design from NFCIT Bhutan. Basically, today the purpose of my vlog is to introduce about my project, which was assigned by our studio teacher. It was an artist residency. We have to design an artist residency, and the artist was of our own choice. It was totally based on our imagination, and I chose the artist who was a poet, and he migrated from Lucknow, India to Pakistan. And the site was which I provided him to live was Islamabad, a village named Ramli. This place was rich in trees and many of the floral plants and fungus plants, and there was a lake in front of the house. So basically, I am going to introduce you about my house which I designed. This is a complete house, and it was designed in such a way that it can meet the mental state of the user. And I designed this house so it can meet my user comfort, and there I introduced entrance, and entrance was like a street, as he was obsessed with Lucknow streets. So there is a Adbi Baitak, which I called the drawing room in our language, but I made it an Adbi Baitak where he used to sit and perform mushaira. Beside it, there was a kitchen and a dining room, and then I give him a bedroom with one jhuruka where he used to sit and drink tea at evenings. And there was an open courtyard where he used to sit to connect with the nature. As in front of my house there was a lake and floral plants and the view from the mountains. I gave him a meditation room which was beneath the bedroom, and there was no light and low ceiling. As there was dim light and low, as we know that in the dim light and low ceiling the concentration is high. So in the meditation room he write his poetry there, and it's about the poet, and I tried my best to provide the total comfort to my user. And I used the wooden material and exposed brickworks, as he was obsessed with Lucknow. And I think I can improve my design if I replace its material, like as if I use the whole wooden material, so my house can be improved. But this also can provide comfort to my user. And thank you for your time.